Zhangjiagang Wilford Thermal Technology Corporation Limited lies in China's economically developed Yangtze River Delta, getting the manufacturing license of Grade B, passing ISO 9000 quality system. We are specializing in environmental boilers, such as gas-fired, oil-fired, electric steam boiler, and hot water boiler, which are full auto operation, have the function of automatically alarm. The boilers can be widely used in food processing, medical and chemical industries, and so on. Our products are well-selling in domestic and popular with more than 50 countries and regions, like Southeast Asia, Midwest, South America. Hereby, we introduce patient and daily maintenance of LWS series oil-fired steam boiler. When you connect it to water resources, pipeline, steam pipes, blow-down pipeline, then start the power and pull the button. After that, water will be in boiler by pump. Please let the pump air out, or open the cover and move impeller when first uses it or restart after long time resting. Burner will start working when the water level displays on normal level of left gauge, and the pump will stop running when reaches to normal water level. Water level sensor could be checked by level electrodes which laid in water level protector and inside boiler. User could clean the electrodes regular according to the water quality. Ensure the water level under normal condition. User should open the water level protector regularly. After burner starting, steam pressure will be a rise. When reaches to the design pressure, high pressure indicator will be on displays on control panel. Burner stops running. At this time, the steam valve can be opened to use the steam. Steam pressure is determined by user's request. Users shouldn't set it by themselves. As per Chinese national regulation, please check the safety valve regularly, as well as manual discharge. To reduce boiler malfunctions, there are 2 times for blow-down every day. When blow down, the steam pressure must reduce to 0.1 ampere to 0.15 ampere. Hereby, we introduce how to use the burner. It should be connected the oil inlet and returned to the oil tank before starting. Meanwhile, users should install 2 SS filters and oil cup of the tank. When the oil pipe connects to oil pump, the upper arrowhead is oil inlet, while the lower arrowhead is oil return port. Please check them carefully. Ensure the burner operation without faults. User must clean the filter, oil cup, oil pump, and nozzle regularly. Burner is including other many parts as follows. System controller. It should be enter the restart red button when there happens problems, which lies on system controller. Light eye. Light eye is to check the fire and keep it clean to examine light sensitivity. Air damper. User should adjust the air damper to guarantee the burning sufficiently. Port fire. Port fire is separately into inflame transformer and inflame electrode. Adjust the clearance and clean out the carbon of electrode to assure the success rate. Nozzle. To be automation to burn completely. Following is instruction of gas-fired steam boiler. First, connect water pipe, ground, then connect gas pipe. Gas input pressure, flow, and capital must be contained with gas burner's requirement. It must install filter, micro pressure gauge, and suitable pressure reducer. When use hard pipe, there must be with anti-vibration device. At last, qualified inspector should ensure 1. Pipe is sealed. 2. Filters must be smoothly. 3. When operating, environment must be ventilation and moisture resistant. Open gas valve. Adjust pressure reducer to keep gas pressure between 3 kPa to 5 kPa. Then burner running. When program control device light yellow, start fans and test air, gas pressure continually. If air and gas pressure meet requirements, after blowing 40 seconds, it will ignite it. When program controller yellow light flashing, electric igniter will open automatically. 5 seconds later, open gas flow valve automatically, ignitering. If successfully, it will enter into normal operating. Program control light turns green. If failure occurs to ignition, operator should make a tiny adjustment to pressure reducing valve. When operating, it will test gas pressure, air pressure, and flame continually. When any one of them doesn't meet requirements, burner will stop, alarm and be logged at the same time. Program controller light becomes red. After troubleshooting, press program controller button 3 to 5 seconds till light comes to yellow to start burner. Gas burner include following main parts. Air pressure protect switch. It may ensure burner working safety and adjust pressure accordingly. Gas pressure protect switch. In order to avoid incomplete combustion caused by low gas pressure, it needs to adjust pressure by switch, normally not less than 3 kPa. Flow valve. It is used to control gas flow, set flame. Air damper. Adjust air damper position according to emission. It will ensure fuel burn completely. Ignition. Ignition include 2 parts: ignition transformer and ignition electrodes. Adjust ignition electrodes gaps. Clean up ignition electrode carbon to ensure the ignition success rate. Electric iron bar. Used for monitor flame stability. It must be kept clean. Fake water level, fake alarm and furring will be appeared if use of bad water quality for boiler, which seriously affects to the thermal efficiency and service time. Therefore, we advise users to adopt water treatment. Water treatment must be installed on a firm flat roof. There should set gutter, water treatment and water tank. As to water treatment installation, please refer to the drawing to fulfill it. After finishing connecting, please operate the equipment according to the following steps. Open the water inlet valve to 1/4. You will hear the sound which air vents to the blow-down pipe. Open the valve when all air is out. Then feed water into salt tank and salt as per request. Set up the use of salt quantity. Let control valve turn to salt tank water inflow part. When the water reach to the top of check valve, then set the time and date. Connect to power. Manual regeneration knob clockwise to start a regeneration. Automatic regeneration is complete. Water samples from the sampling valve to release water quality analysis. eligible immediately after put into use. If you are underusing and there is any questions, please feel free to contact us through the following ways. Telephone 86-512-5817-0166. Fax 86-512-5869-8850. Email service@wheel4boiler.com.